you're like me and you're sick and tired of pulling your dishes out of the dishwasher and still having food on them, then you need these Puracy dishwasher detergent packs. The company sent me this to try out and give my honest review on. I've been using these for the past couple of weeks for my dishes, and honestly, these have changed the game for me. I always found that even after I would rinse off my plates and I would take them out of the dishwasher, they still had grime on them. And I also knew that whenever I was using some of those other brands that had all those dyes and smells in them, that none of that is good for me. And I really don't want that on the plates that I'm actually eating off of. So this Puracy brand is nothing but the cleaning agents that it uses to clean your dishes. There's no dyes, there's no fragrances, there's no added extra junk that you really don't need. This is the ingredient list. Look at how short that is. Just enzymes, just things to clean your dishes with. Now, it even says that these work better when you don't even rinse your dishes off, which for someone who has maybe a bunch of kids and their kids are never rinsing their dishes off and never getting the food off their plates, these would be perfect. I know I kind of butchered the packaging here, and that would be my only complaint with this, is that when I tried to open this packaging, you're really supposed to keep them sealed to keep them fresh. And as you can see, I can't do that because for whatever reason, these just didn't open up very well for me. So this is what it looks like. And you actually don't throw this just directly into the dishwasher. You do need to load this into the little pocket that you close and cap shut. These have been such a game changer for me, and I've really loved using them. And if you're looking for something that actually cleans your dishes and it doesn't have all the added extra junk that a lot of these brands do nowadays, you should definitely check these out.